Hi guys, welcome to the new Karim Malasia. I'm Karim.
And I'm Asia.
And today we're going to be showing you guys how to create a form. So first you want to create a table. And next you're going to come to any of these tabs and you're going to right click. You're going to go to customize the ribbon. Then you're going to click on this drop down menu. You're going to go on commands not in the ribbon. You're going to scroll down to the letter F. And you're going to find form. You're going to click on form. And you're going to press add. And you can also change the name if you want right here by pressing rename.
Form is used for adding data in a table easier. So you just select a column or a row you want to add the writing in, and you're going to click on form and then click OK. And on the first one, which is number, you're going to put number 1. The second one, and then name, you're going to put name. And the third one is item. I'm going to just put a computer as an example. And the third one is price. So I'm just going to put a random price. And then you're going to click on new to go to the next column or the first one. And then so on, you can keep on adding like number 2, a different name, a different item.
Yeah, click on it.
For example, like this, and then the price. And we're going to click on new. And so on, you can keep adding. This find proof is going to the previous one you did, just like if you want to edit it or not. Find next is the next one. You can just check that, and then delete. You can easily just delete that whole row that you just did, and you just go to the next one. Close. You can easily just close this tab.
Thank you guys for watching.
See you guys in the next video.